All right, traders, welcome to the training series called Cryptocurrency Trading for Beginners. This is Greg Vogel, and we're going to teach you a 9-step process here on how to trade. Now, if you're a brand new trader, whether you're a pro trader, there's always stuff to learn, but especially for new traders, we're going to walk you through a process if you've ever wanted to learn how to trade any type of market. But we're going to specifically be talking about cryptocurrency trading, but these 9 steps apply to all types of trading. Now, here's what we're not talking about. What we're not talking about is buying Bitcoin and holding that position and hoping it goes up. That is called hodl position. Hold on for dear life. That's not what we do. You've seen that all over Facebook, where everybody jump in and buy Bitcoin, and then in late 1997, the price from Bitcoin went from $2,900 against $1 all the way up past 17,000, which I traded that. It did extremely well, but that was a longer term position. We're going to talk to you about how to trade. You're waiting for very small trading opportunities that you can get in and out of the markets within a matter of a couple of days. And this is really, really cool. It's a lot of fun, and it can be extremely profitable if you understand how to do it. So that's why I created this series, so that you guys can walk through in all of these steps. There's going to be 9 steps. 9 steps to becoming a rockstar crypto trader. We're going to be walking you through these 9 steps. And if you understand these 9 steps, and each one is easy to do, this is not extremely difficult, okay? But you got to have these 9 fundamental pieces down to be successful as a trader. So let's go through the 9 steps you're going to be going through in this series. And first of all, we're going to be talking about the trader's mindset. The first thing you need to understand is that trading is a business. It is not gambling. A lot of people think about trading like, I always got to be in a trade. It is about a business. We're going to teach you how to have the mindset of a trader, because if your mind is right, okay, you have the chance to be successful. We can teach you the how-to all day long. But if your mindset is not correct, especially number 1 and 2 are probably the most important parts of this series and learning how to trade, okay, is number 1, your mindset. 90% of trading is psychological. And we're going to start talking to you a little bit through that, okay? 2, we're going to talk about managing your money. Before you start taking that first trade, you want to understand a process and how much you're going to be trading. You need to have a game plan of attack, or you start getting aggressive. When you start winning over and over again, it's really easy to start doing really dumb things. And then you start trading too much of your account at once, and then you have some losses, and then you lost everything you gained. So we're going to teach you how to be profitable and how to stay profitable. Number 3, we're going to talk about understanding what's called support and resistance. We're going to be pulling up some charts. I'm going to show you what this is and how this works. We're going to teach you how to understand what the trend is. And then we're going to be talking about trading with the trend versus what's called counter trend trading, okay? And then we're going to talk about how, once you understand the steps 1 through 5, how do we find the perfect trade setup, okay? How do we sit back and wait for the right trade like a hunter, waiting. You just don't start clicking buttons and start buying Bitcoin because you think it's going to go up. You wait like a hunter, okay? And we're going to be talking about how to do that. And once you're in there, how do you protect that trade? Because you're not going to win every trade. This is something you need to understand. You're not going to win every trade. And if you're going to have some losses on trades, you have to cover those losses and keep them very, very small. We want to keep our losses very small and let our winners run. So number 8 is let your winners run. Once we're in a winning trade, how do we manage that trade? How do you maximize as much profit as you can out of that trade? And we're going to show you exactly how to do that. And number 9 is once you understand the first 8 pieces, I'm going to show you how you can completely automate the entire process using software that you can 10x your trading, okay? So let's get into the video series, and we'll go to the first video.